The goal of this video is to illustrate how quickly you can get things up and running with integrated motion over Ethernet IP. First, create a new project using Studio 5000. Select your processor, in this case a 1769 L18 ERM BB1B. Give the project a name and click Next. Select the firmware version of your processor. Select the number of modules in your PLC rack, then click Finish to create the project. First, download the new project to your PLC. Do this by using the RS Links utility in Studio. Browse to the processor and select Download. After the download is complete, go offline. The project must be offline to create an access. In the controller organizer under Ethernet, start by creating a new Ethernet module. Right-click and select New Module. Type the part number of the servo drive you are adding into the search box. This information can be found using RS Links. It can also be found on the label of the device. In this case, 2198H003 ERS. Select the drive, then Create. Give the drive a name. Tell the processor what the drive's IP address is. If you look back in RS Links, you can see the IP address. For the Kinetics 5500 and 5700, the IP address can also be found on the drive's display. Select the Power tab. Select the power settings for your application. If you are not sure what they are, ask an engineer. Click OK, then close the module creator. Next, create the motion group. Right-click on motion groups and select New Motion Group. Give the motion group a name and click Create. Then right-click on the motion group. Select New Axis. Select Axis SIP drive. Give this axis a name and click Create. Double-click on the axis. Or right-click and select Properties. In the General tab, select your drive under Associated Module. Under the Motor tab, select Catalog Number as the data source. Click Change Catalog. Then type the motor part number into the search box. This can also be found on the nameplate of the motor as shown in this picture. Click OK. Click Apply. Notice all the stars that appear when a change is made will disappear after clicking Apply. Click OK. Download the updated project to the PLC. When prompted, select Enable Time Synchronization. Motion will not work if this is not selected. Then click Download. Select Yes when asked to put the controller in run mode. The system is now ready for motion. Please note the Quick View window under the controller organizer. By default, this is not visible. In order to view motion, pull up the axis properties. Then click the Status tab. Right-click on the axis and select Motion Direct Commands. To enable the axis, select MSO and click Execute. The axis is now controlling position. Then select MAM. We will do an incremental move. Let's do a position and speed of 1. This should advance the motor 1 rev at 1 rev per second. See the actual position increases by 1 rev every time the instruction is executed? Changing the position field to -1 will make it go in reverse 1 rev. Thanks for watching.